Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be checking out this place called Merry Seasons. It's basically a store here in Melbourne that specializes in Korean and Japanese makeup, and they also have other items available. So think of it as like Daiso but on steroids. So let's go in. Anyway, we're now in the beauty section, so I'll just quickly show you guys what we have here to look at. I really hope I don't get copyrighted for the music in here, but it looks like they have got some contact lenses as well. I don't think they have prescription, but if you are looking for your favorite Japanese lenses, I think this is definitely the place to check out. Ooh, they have the Biore SPF. I have heard so many people rave about this. Ooh, these look like a pretty highlighter. I think it's one of those ones that you swirl together. And then they also have these really cute blushes. From my experience, they tend to be quite iridescent. Ooh, and looks like they've got some makeup sponges. In Asia, they are usually referred to as makeup puffs. This one is from Etude House. So we're getting into some of the more popular Asian brands for skincare. So this one is pretty popular, Sulwasu, I think that's how you pronounce it. I see a lot of adverts for this particular brand, and from what I have heard, they are quite good and quite popular as well. And Ipsa, this is another brand that I remember when I used to live in Hong Kong. It was like plastered everywhere. It was so popular. And then this brand as well, Paul & Joe. Very popular in Asia as well, in particular in Hong Kong, and their packaging is always so pretty. Like, let's just turn this around. Ooh, Laneige. Is that how you say it? Laneige. I think this is one of their cushion foundations. The packaging is so cute. Ooh, they have the different type of eye drops. I actually need to look at which ones is good for me, because I know Asian eye drops are like the best at hydrating your eyes, especially if you wear contacts like myself. They have a little information book over here with prices, so I might have a quick read and see if I can grab one for myself. Ooh, we're getting into more makeup. So this section, number 4, says it's more Japanese skincare and Japanese makeup. On this brand, Frankel. I always hear this in Hong Kong because their ad, I don't understand anything of their ads, but I always hear Frankel. But by the looks of it, it is a Japanese brand, because that to me is Japanese writing, and pretty sure this is the Japanese section. I think that's eye makeup remover, if I'm not mistaken. If not, like a makeup remover in general. Oh my gosh, Perfect Whip by Senka. This is like OG, one of the most popular sort of like skin cleansers in Asia, in particular this blue one. They obviously have different versions now, so this one I believe has sort of like a skin brightening agent. This one is sort of like that skin plumping, skin anti-aging, I should say, sort of effect as well. But yeah, this is the OG. And then Biore is such a big brand in Asia, so I believe this is still the Japanese ones. So they're a huge sort of like skincare brand. They're a huge skincare brand in Asia, from what I can tell and from what I remember, to be honest. I would say they'd be like the equivalent of Clean and Clear in Asia. Well, actually they have Clean and Clear as well, but they're kind of like on the same spectrum, if that makes sense. We're getting into the most popular eye makeup products from Japan. Japan makes amazing eyeliners and mascara, so if you have hooded eyes and very oily eyelids, definitely try out Asian liquid liners and mascaras. They are like the best. We're in the Japanese snack section. Ugh, makes me miss Japan oh so much. If you don't know, Kit Kats come in different flavors. Here in Australia we only get like chocolate, but here they have different flavors as well. So as you guys can see, this one is Sakura, so that means cherry blossom. And then they have mochi. I think this is just the normal one. This one is matcha. I don't know what this one is. Whatever that thing is. I think it's sort of like a herb. There's no English signs, so I can't tell. Oof, strawberry Kit Kats. These are so amazing. I got a pack of these, actually 2 packs when I was in Japan, and I wish I bought more because these things are so good. With these treats, I actually haven't had one of these in like ages. Ooh, yum, 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 yum. These are delish. Oh, I can't. I'm trying to behave and try not to snack too much, but oh my god, these things are so good, so nice and fluffy. Every Asian kid knows Pocky. Ugh, different flavors. I think that's matcha. This one's just the normal chocolate. The almond crush one is actually so good, and these ones, but my absolute all-time favorite is this one, Pretz. I just munch on these every time I can. And then obviously they've got all the different flavors as well. Whenever I'm in Hong Kong or in Asia in general, I try and grab as many of these because these are my absolute favorite. They're just really nice and salty and just a little bit tangy, which I absolutely love as well. They also have the brand Latte. I think it's Latte. And they have seaweed crisps as well. If you guys are into seaweed crisps, definitely check this out. Oh my god. Sakura flavor Pocky. Let me know if you guys would like me to do like a taste test video because I love doing those. They also, like Pretz also create like, I wouldn't say interesting flavors, but I think they're a little bit weird. Like this one, sweet corn, I don't think I'd ever like that. This one doesn't look too bad. This one just looks like potato chip flavor. And then Latte also has the pepero, so they have all the different sort of like flavors as well. And then, oh, this one looks interesting, mango flavored Pocky. I've never had mango flavored biscuits before. Every Asian kid's favorite, Yakult. And then we've also got the Asian specific flavors of Lace. If you guys live in Australia, you probably don't know what Lace is. It's kind of like the international versions of Smith's chips. Just think of that. Ooh, they have a taro flavored one. Oh, my fave, my absolute fave. Ooh, they have different flavored ramen. I might try these ones. I think the ones I have at home are like these ones. I might try this one. It says tonkatsu artificial pork flavor ramen. And they don't look that expensive, so I might try that out next time. And then by the looks of it, they have different flavored curries as well. I might try them because I love Japanese curry. The different Asian hair dye brands as well. Some of these are like new to me. I've never seen them before. But if you want to try sort of like the foaming sort of like hair dyes, try these ones. I remember when I was younger, I used to see this brand and I've always wanted to dye my hair this color. But now that I look at it, I think it's a little bit too copper for me. I'm definitely more on the ash color at the moment. But these things are super, super effective, don't get me wrong. So these things on the back are like super accurate. Oh, this one's a nice color. Yeah, there's like a little guide here of what the color is going to look like. And then obviously they have hair care products. This is like one of the most popular ones in Asia. Tsubaki, I think it's called. These things are super soft on the hair. These things make your hair super soft. I don't know how good they are for your hair, but they are amazing at making your hair feel super silky smooth. And then again, there's other brands that I've never really seen before, but I'm sure they're quite popular because by the seems of it, they only really stock super popular brands here from what I can see. Alright, so I've just finished at Merry Seasons. Again, thank you so much to the staff for letting me film in there. They don't normally let people film in there, but I really appreciate it. So yeah, if you guys would like me to try out anything specific from that store, definitely let me know down in the comment box down below. If you guys would like to check out my other videos, I will link them on the screen and down in the description box down below. Also, I did a little walking tour of Burke Street, so it's pretty much this length. I mean, there's a garbage truck there, but you get the idea. Like coming from Parliament all the way down to just past David Jones and Maya along Burke Street. If you guys would like to watch that, I'll link it on the screen as well. And that is pretty much it for me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.